So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal health, career, and finances reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of March 2026. Keep in mind, I'm not a career counselor, health advisor, or financial advisor at all. I'm just reading the cards for you guys, and you guys are responsible for making any kind of change, decisions, or choices. Okay, you guys have a free will, so that's your responsibility, not mine. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start, Scorpio. Let's see with your health what we have. Two of Swords. Scorpio, you guys are going to be feeling blocked in a particular situation of your health. For some of you, you guys are going to have some kind of headache, migraine, eye issues. For some of you, if you guys are already struggling with the heart issues, make sure you are not going to ignore that at all at any cost. These are the 3-4 issues that I'm getting here. Although right now it's not a major thing because it's a minor arcana, but it can become something really difficult to deal with if not taken care of properly right now. Okay, guidance is the 4 of Wands. If you want stable health, if you want a good relationship with your health, you guys have to stop ignoring the red flags, the signals that your body keeps on giving you again and again and again on repeat. So you guys have to make sure that you guys are not going to ignore the red flags, ignore the signals that your body is giving you. If you want to enjoy a stable health, you guys have to work for it. It's not going to be like happening naturally and organically, especially if you guys are 40s or above 40s. You guys should not take your health for granted at all, because in my personal experiences or experience also, till you are like 33, 34, 35, your body really works well, and you don't have to like bother too much about it, but afterwards it becomes a task. So don't take your health for granted at all if you want long term health goals of yours to be sorted in a beautiful and positive way. For those of you who are doing job or working for others, we have the Star. You guys are going to be, presented with some kind of good opportunity, maybe some kind of salary hike or responsibility hike or some kind of promotion or something. And this month looks really very cool, really very positive for growth and expansion in your work, growth and expansion in your job or career area. So you guys are going to be star employee, or you guys are going to be star of the firm or something. So you guys are going to be recognized, and there are very good chances of you having some kind of promotion or salary hike or something bigger coming your way. Guidance here is the Page of Cups. So make sure that you are going to enjoy this good news, good energy, good vibes as much as you can, but you guys are going to be stable. I don't know how to explain this. I can feel it in my gut, but I'm not able to explain this to you. So this is a good news coming in. It can make you feel a little bit overwhelmed. It can make you feel a little bit all over the place emotionally. So it's okay. It's just overwhelming energy for some time. You will be fine. You will be fine. Okay, because sometimes when even in when we are getting something good, we are getting a lot of good news and good energies and good vibes, we get overwhelmed. It's completely normal. It's completely fine. Don't worry about it, right? You will be fine. I don't know how to explain this. I hope I did I gave my best. Now you have to deal with it. Now for those of you who are self-employed or working for them, like, or for business or something, we have the 8 of Cups. For the time being, you guys might have to take a break, or you guys might be planning to do something is not matching with your energies or your vibes anymore. It doesn't mean you are leaving something permanently or you are never going to go back to this. Maybe right now you guys are planning to detach a little bit and think about something else, or you guys are planning to restart something after taking a break, after taking a pause or something. Right now your energies are not very open to whatever you are doing. You are feeling a little bit detached or disconnected, and it's completely normal. This is a minor arcana. You will be fine soon. So whether you are planning to do something new or you are planning to restart this uh, business, whatever you are doing, it is going to take some more time for you to come back to it and do it properly, and it's completely fine. For some of you, this break is required so that you guys can figure it out properly. The guidance here is 8 of Swords, right? Your mind is going to create stories and scenarios, a lot of them. You don't have to listen to your mind. You guys might feel like you're overwhelmed with a lot of mental chaos. A lot of things are happening. Your mind is telling you stories, scenarios, creating more and more negativity, more and more this energy of what the fuck is happening, what the fuck are you doing. It's completely normal, Scorpio, trust me. Until unless you guys are going to feel at peace emotionally and mentally, don't make any kind of decisions or choices. I don't feel like you're going to completely shut down your business, but you're going to feel disconnected or detached, or you might feel the pull to, shut it down for some time, take a pause or some for some time. That's actually going to work out in your favor if you can afford it. If you cannot, stop listening to every negative thoughts that's coming in your head. You are creating more negativity around the situation. You are making it more worse. I don't know, more worse is a word. You're making it worse by overthinking. Okay. So you guys are going to be at peace only when you guys are going to sit with yourself, connect with your heart and soul, and understand what's not working out and understand what you feel like doing right now. And then clearly you guys will be able to make the choice or decisions in this department. That's very important. For those of you who are looking for other opportunity, whether you are a fresher or experienced, whether it's for job or business, we have the King of Wands. You guys are going to get some kind of opportunity that is going to make you feel like this is something that I always wanted to do. This is a life changing opportunity. I should do it. So there are very good chances of you guys getting an opportunity that's actually going to make you feel like something good, something big, something huge is coming your way. This is going to be a very exciting opportunity, and this is going to make you feel like going out of your comfort zone, but something is off about it. I don't know what. Okay. The guidance here is Three of Pentacles. Do not ignore the negativities that's coming with this opportunity. Do not ignore the cons. You might be so much focused on the pros that you might ignore the cons. The cons might not be very big right now, but it can become something really big if you are not going to be properly aware of that. That's what I'm getting. Guidance here is the Three of Pentacles. Whenever you are going to take this opportunity, whenever you are planning to take this opportunity, talk with like-minded people, talk with people who are already in that field or who are doing those things. Maybe not personally, you can search on YouTube, you can search on Instagram. You are going to find a lot of people who are doing the same things or same kind of things. That is going to help you, that is going to like prepare you for all the positives and negatives and what's coming ahead of you. Okay, so do a proper research and analysis before making any kind of choices just in infatuation or attraction, or just in the pull of, oh my god, this looks so good, this feels so good, this is making me feel like, oh my god. So take your time, think about it properly, research about it, and then maybe say yes or no accordingly. That's going to save you from a lot of trouble in the future. For your finances, we have the Five of Pentacles. You guys might face a little bit of financial stress, financial issues, a little bit of financial losses. I don't think so it's going to be so much bigger that you will never be able to recover from it. For the time being, your finances or your investment plans are not going to work out that much well in your favor. So this is a minor arcana, it's just a matter of timings. Guidance is the Page of Wands. Just because things are not working out wherever you have put your money or finances in, it doesn't mean that you are going to withdraw everything at one go and you are going to start investing in new things and new plans and this and that. Of course, if you feel like you should be doing that, do that, but don't do that in stress or anxiety or in any kind of in this energy of, oh my god, everything is going down, I should just take out all my money and take out all my finances and invest them somewhere else. Invest them somewhere else. That somewhere else should be very very clear. That somewhere else should be like, okay, this is something that is definitely going to give me the growth and expansion that I'm looking forward to have. Do not invest in quick money making schemes or looking too good to be true kind of schemes, or keep the saying in mind, all that glitters is not gold. Okay, I'm now not in any way I'm saying go like keep on investing in something shitty that's not giving you anything in good in return. What I'm trying to say here is, even if you have to withdraw all of your finances, withdraw all of your money before investing in something new, make sure you are making the right decision. You can keep your money in bank account or something somewhere safe, until unless you guys are going to get the kind of opportunity that's really good for you. Don't make any kind of choice or decisions, especially when you are feeling butterflies in the stomach, or you're feeling, oh my god, this is going to give me 2x money, 3x money in 15 days, 20 days. Don't do that. Take your time. Okay. And definitely connect with somebody who is good in finances and investments. That's going to help you a lot. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.